A key part of the IntelliFOX and HypaFOX Warren & Brown network offering are MTP, MPO trunk cable assemblies. These pre-terminated cable assemblies can be provided in either single mode or multimode fibre and with fibre core count sizes ranging from 12 to 144 fibres. Used with HypaFOX cassettes, these custom-made cable assemblies are ideal for use with IntelliFOX or HypaFOX MTP or MPO cassettes. IntelliFOX is the next generation of industry-leading fibre optic infrastructure that elevates cable management, density, scalability, and usability to the next level, preparing and future-proofing your fibre infrastructure network for the next wave of growth.